Hi, I'm John with Team Buki Yuushuu, and today I'll be showing you the Sidewinder. First, what you want to do is practice catching it under your leg, like this. To practice that, start like this, throw it, and catch it under your leg. Next, you need to learn how to throw it from behind your back. I would just start like this. I would start by throwing it from behind your back, like this. Practice that until you have that down. Then, practice throwing it from behind your back and catching it with the same hand you threw it with. This will help you bring this hand around under your leg. Then you will combine the two moves and put them both together. It should look something like this. Now I'm going to show you what it looks like in the form. I'm John with Team Buki Yuushuu, and that was the Sidewinder. If anybody has a Bo Staff trick or something they would like to learn, please send me the link in the comments, and I'll try my best to break down and show you how to do that move.